Mortgage protection is a type of insurance policy. Basically what it does is, should something happen to the borrower, such as a death, it would pay off the balance of the mortgage, or if they became disabled, it would make those monthly payments until they're able to go back to work. Mortgage protection is so important because I believe every mortgage should be protected. Mortgage protection isn't there to protect you, it's there to protect your family from the debt you leave behind.
If you look at the number of Canadians that have high debt loads, we're talking about protecting the largest asset, which is also typically the biggest obligation that Canadians will carry. I believe mortgage protection is very important in today's environment when we're looking at the number of Canadians and the amount of debt that the average Canadian is carrying.
I was working as an electrician and I was up on a 10-foot ladder. Long story short, my right hand came in contact with an energized wire. I kicked myself off the ladder. I hit a light fixture on the way down and cut my fingers pretty bad on that. And when I hit the ground, it felt like my feet had exploded. Triage nurse asked me why I jumped off a ladder, and I said, well, it's because I was being electrocuted. Didn't really dawn on me how serious it was at that point. They basically screw and bolt your heels back in place. In total, it was 8 months for my recovery. Money stress is not a healthy stress. It changed my life because it allowed me to keep my savings account. Didn't have to worry about money during my rehabilitation. Just focus on getting better and on my new career. So it really took a lot of stress out of my life.
Every time I hear a story of a client that had to use mortgage protection, I feel better about what I'm doing, because that's one less Canadian that's being forced to decide what to do next.
They have the security and the protection and the comfort of knowing that if something were to happen, that they're going to be okay.